There is another tool which allows us to record videos, and it's for free. It's called Screencast on Matic. The first step to use the Screencast on Matic is open Google and access with our Google account. Then we just type Screencast-O-Matic, screen recorder and video editor. Click on login. Sign in with Google. Choose your Google account or type it if needed. And it's asking me for my first name and last name. Agree to the terms of service and create the account. Let's choose education, empower learning through video. And here we are. We have just created our Screencast-O-Matic account. Once I click on make a recording, a message appears at the bottom indicating that the app is being launched. There is also a message saying download if nothing prompts from browser. Let's click on download. Click here on this file. And we have just started the installation process. Screencast-O-Matic is a web application, but it works with an app installed on a computer. This frame has appeared in the middle of my screen. What I need to do right now is to adjust the dimensions of this frame to the size I desire. This is the space which will be captured by Screencast-O-Matic in case I decide to record the screen. Additionally, I have the option to record just the webcam. And the third option is to record both the screen and the webcam. We need to be very careful when selecting the microphone we will be using, and the easiest way to check that this application will record our voice is noticing that the narration bar is going from green to orange, which indicates that voice recording is working fine. However, since this is a free version of the program, we will not be able to record computer audio. In this case, we will need to upgrade the application, which has a cost. Once we are ready, we just click on recording and the process will go smoothly. Click on Screencast-O-Matic and launch the recorder. The frame appears and it's time for you to decide what recording option you will choose. Screen, webcam, or both. I will choose both to show you how it works. Remember, it's very important that you check that the narration is being recorded. There is an option to flip the webcam. I'll keep it like this. The webcam image is at the bottom, and I can record everything that appears on my screen. Click on recording, and the process starts. Now, once you finished recording, click here, click on Done. Save, upload. And once you are satisfied with the video, click here on Save as Video File and just publish. And the video will appear. Here you have both the screen and the webcam. You are now ready to create a video on Screencast on Matic. Remember that the task in this part of the course is to create a video on which you will talk about the most valuable object and why that memory or souvenir is really important to you. You may use YouTube and record the video on your cell phone or smartphone, but if you prefer, you may use a Screencast-O-Matic in order to do the task. If you feel like using Screencast-O-Matic to do the task, the next section is for you, because I will show you how you will be able to upload a video created on Screencast-O-Matic on YouTube. Once you have the video about your favorite object or your favorite souvenir, upload it to YouTube. How do you do that? Click on Create, Upload Video. Find the video on your computer. You may write a description of your video. Choose this option. Click on Next here. Let's click on Public right now. And the video is published. And I have the video link already here. And this is the way you upload a video you recorded using Screencast-O-Matic. Remember that the task is to send the video link to the Canvas assignment. For that purpose, I have already explained to you how you may send the link of the video, or you may embed the video on the assignment. Both ways of submitting your assignment are correct.